Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can add your Instagram ID in Hilokal language exchange app. So you can see it's the home page. So we need to go profile page. You can see the option like right bottom corner on your screen. Simply click on that. Sorry. So once you click on that, then you'll see it's your profile page. Then you have to click here the pencil icon on this option. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, then here you'll edit profile option. So you scroll down a little bit, then you'll see the option here, add Instagram ID. Okay, so simply click on add Instagram ID. Once you click there, then you can give your username here. So I'm just give. Okay, and then after that you can see the option save. Simply click on save. Then you can see your Instagram ID added. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.